Zebra! Oh,
Some cake.
oh my goodness.
Let's
You know
go
what?
make a cake.
I'm super hungry. I think it's time to make some safari cookie cutter shapes. All the safari has made me starving. Let's go. Let me pull up. Okay.
Oh,
Welcome back, everybody. It is Safari Week at the Rec Kitchen this week, my friends. And we are making our safari cookie cutter animal shapes.
yeah. You want to read me the
Yes, I do. You can pick any kind of cake you want. We have yellow, we have vanilla, we have chocolate. Today we're using Hearty Rainbow Chips. Smells delicious even in just a bag. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and put those right in the bowl. Thank you very much. Can we do your one-handed egg cracking today? All of our fans would love it.
Maybe you can try it.
Oh Lord, we definitely need a lot more eggs. You're gonna need 3 eggs for your safari cake today. Beautiful.
Make sure you have your jungle cat trash can ready.
There's
Right
no
next to
littering on the safari.
No.
Next, you are gonna want, be sure to read your directions carefully, a half cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of water. I like my safari kind of love it. Tandem pour.
Oh, I had it perfect anyway.
Beautiful.
Thanks. Can we just dump this in the pan?
Oh, no, my friends. You're gonna need to stir that right up.
What do we count to when we're stirring?
Well, I'm a fan of even numbers. I usually like 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beware of birds overhead. Thank you so much for sharing, Stephen.
And then we're just gonna pour it in our cake pan.
Oh. Do we need to preset the oven?
Yep. So then you're gonna bake it in the oven at 375 or 350
For how long?
for 30 minutes.
Perfect. 30 minutes, we'll have the most amazing party cake
Yeah.
for our safari cookie cutter shape.
But you know what? I remember seeing a cake on our safari.
There was another one?
Oh look! It's an already made one over there.
That's literally perfect.
Let's go grab it. Ta-da! It's a vanilla cake.
That's perfect. Ah, whew,
That's
So good.
fast.
the fastest.
Woo.
All right.
What's next?
Now that we've got our plates, our next step is you want to get a whole bunch of like cookie cutters. We chose all the ones like you would normally see on like a safari, like an elephant or a gorilla. There's giraffes, salamanders, crocodiles. Just go crazy. Whichever safari animal is your favorite, you make it.
Mhm.
The next thing you want to do is you want to just find a portion of your cake, if your friends haven't already used up most of it, that you can put down your cookie cutter in and get your shape. Ooh. To get your shape. Oh, Steven, that's such a good idea. Improvise! Oh, that's beautiful! May I try?
Yeah.
Thank you. I hope mine comes out.
Then you have a shaped piece of cake.
Beautiful. What did you choose?
I chose a gorilla.
Oh, those are one of my favorites.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
A little bit. That's like
perfect.
enough for us.
And then you only want like 3 or 4 drops of food coloring. Unless you're like me and want 8. Look at that beautiful green shade. Doesn't that just remind you of being on the safari right now?
Mm-hmm. It does.
All right. You'll want to get a fresh knife.
Thank you.
So that way you don't get any like cake crumbs into your frosting. Get yourself a nice, good glob of it. And slowly cover the shape of your. Next up, you want to be able to add in, my favorite part, some graham cracker. You want to be able to like mush it up inside the leg. Down to like little crumbs so it looks like the desert sand.
Oh. Got it.
Once you've got a fine enough crumble for your animal shape, look at Steven with
That
the
looks
magic
pretty
over there.
good.
You'll want to take almost kind of like a pinch out of the bag and sprinkle it over your animal. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Like that.
Nice job. Steven the best. This is also a really great way to like practice turn taking and all that fun stuff. And sharing.
Mhm.
And waiting. All sorts of fun skills. Alright. And then last but not least, you want to add, personally, my favorite part is the coconut.
What's the coconut for?
The coconut is for all of like, there's all these like really wispy trees that exist over in the safari. And so to emulate that, we've got coconut shavings.
I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of that too.
Oh, look at you with the magic. Okay.
Oh, perfect.
And so I lied. The best part of this whole thing is once you're finished, you get to eat it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good bite.
Who knew elephants were so delicious?
Very tasty.
Safari animal cutouts. Woo!